Hi everyone and welcome to Spotty Dog Tutoring. I'm Hilary Burt and today we're going to look at the most common sound for each letter of the alphabet. Let's go.
Spotty Dog Tutoring.
So just before we start, it's important to say that several of the letters do have more than one sound. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep to the main sound for each letter. So the first letter of the alphabet is the letter A. And it makes the sound A, as in apple. The letter B makes the B sound, as in bee. The letter C makes the K sound, as in cat. The letter D makes the D sound, as in dog. The letter E makes the E sound, as in egg. The letter F makes the F sound, as in fish. The letter G makes the G sound, as in gate. The letter H makes the H sound, as in hat. The letter I makes the I sound, as in ink. The letter J makes the J sound, as in jam. The letter K makes the K sound, as in kitchen. The letter L makes the L sound, as in lamp. The letter M makes the M sound, as in mat. The letter N makes the N sound, as in nut. The letter O makes the O sound, as in orange. The letter P makes the P sound, as in pen. The letter Q makes the Q sound, as in queen. The letter R makes the R sound, as in rat. The letter S makes the S sound, as in sun. The letter T makes the T sound, as in table. The letter U makes the sound, as in up. The letter V makes the V sound, as in van. The letter W makes the W sound, as in walk. The letter X makes the X sound, as in the end of the word fox. The letter Y makes the Y sound, as in yellow. And finally, the letter Z makes the Z sound, as in zebra. And those are the 26 sounds of the alphabet.
Spotty Dog Tutoring.